And the NDRRMC and concerned government agencies remain on their toes as Tropical Depression Isang continues to threaten northern Luzon. Aya Makalma reports.
The National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council remains alert, with Tropical Depression Isang still inside the Philippine area of responsibility. Regional offices of the Office of the Civil Defense are also on blue alert for them to closely monitor the situation in their areas of responsibility and immediately respond when the need arises.
Probinsya yung ating region sa extreme northern Luzon, although wala namang masyadong epekto, nag-raise pa rin sila ng blue alert status. Para,
not red.
Hindi. Blue alert, para lang sa readiness nila. Region 1, Region 2 at saka yung Cordillera.
Major Reynaldo Balido confirms that no casualties have so far been reported. Balido advised fishermen not to sail due to rough seas spawned by Isang. The agency also assures that preposition relief goods are ready for distribution to typhoon victims.
So far, wala pa naman tayong naiulat na epekto na dulot niya at inaasahan nga natin na tuloy-tuloy na siyang lalabas sa Philippine Area Responsibility, hopefully bukas.
For now, there is no preemptive evacuation of families, but the residents are to be on alert, especially those living in low-lying areas for flash floods and landslides. For the People's Television, Waywaya Makar.